Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable extensions in the Google Chrome web browser without actually removing the extension. So if you just want to temporarily disable the extension, perhaps you want to do some troubleshooting on your browser and see if there might be an issue with one of your extensions causing a conflict with a web page, or you just want to see how your browser performs without a background extension continuously running. I'm going to show you guys how to temporarily turn that off, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome web browser and select the three-dotted icon up in the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that and go down and select where it says extensions and then select manage extensions. There should be a little oval here. Just toggle it to the off position by clicking inside this oval one time, and it should go from blue to gray, meaning it has been disabled. And if you ever want to re-enable it, you just can come back in here and toggle it to the on position by clicking inside this gray oval one time, and then it should turn blue. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.